Every packet of instant noodles begins its journey inside a highly automated food factory. Carefully selected ingredients arrive before production even begins. The flour is stored and transported through a controlled, hygienic system. The dough is now ready to be transformed into thin noodle sheets. Precision cutters transform the sheet into long, delicate noodle strands. Those familiar waves are created by carefully controlled mechanical movement.
The noodles are steamed to cook the dough while preserving their structure.
The continuous noodle sheet is divided into precise individual portions. The noodles are rapidly cooled before entering the final stages. Controlled industrial cooking prepares the noodles for their long shelf life.
Meanwhile, the signature seasoning blend is prepared with carefully controlled ingredients.
The seasoning is portioned and sealed into individual sachets.
Automated inspection helps ensure every noodle block meets factory standards.
High-speed packaging machines seal each packet with precision. The finished packets are packed into cartons ready for distribution. From the factory floor, thousands of cartons begin their journey to stores. From simple ingredients to a global favorite, every packet carries a remarkable story of food, technology,